This segment is sponsored in part by Verizon.
The holiday season can take a toll on our finances, so we're always looking for ways to save wherever we can this time of year.
Of course. And one place we can do that is with our internet service. Verizon tech expert Chris Sirico joins us with ways to save. You know him, you love him. He also has some great tech gift ideas. Thank you for coming back.
Alex Marisol, thanks for having me again. Always good to be here.
My plan. My man, my plan.
Oh, the man with the plan.
That's right.
All right, talk to us about Verizon Fios. Why is this service a win-win right now?
Well, it's great. So it's always 100% fiber optic services, which is great. Fastest speeds in the U.S., including right here in the New York City metro area. And it's even faster than cable. So you might want to consider that if you're looking for a little change. And especially because we've got an awesome new platform for your live TV streaming and more.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. We've got this. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you?
I was just a follow-up question. I feel like you're about to answer.
That's fine.
What sets Verizon Fios apart from any other services out there?
That's good. Well, in addition to the high-quality internet service that it provides, a good little gesture there, we've got the Fios TV Plus. It's brand new.
Wow.
It helps you stream live TV. It helps you with all your apps and all that stuff. That's great. It's smaller than ever. This is actually the quote-unquote set-top box. You know those big, bulky things that used to be on top of your...
Now it's this.
That's the whole thing. So, and then we've got this beautiful remote over here where it's got a little button on it that helps you with voice and Google Assist.
Ooh,
so that can help you find
that.
your shows and your programs. It even helps you find, you're looking for a movie, it'll tell you which of your platforms you already subscribe to so you can watch it for free.
Oh, doing the thinking for me.
Instead of having to search all this myself and then that's the thing. I love this.
Absolutely. So, and it's great. And also, if you lose your remote, you hit that button and it goes beep, 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 because
until you find it.
Times can you lose it in your couch?
12 times a day.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
12 times a day.
Whoa.
Okay.
So,
looks fantastic.
It's fabulous.
How can we save money?
You can save money
service?
if you sign up for the most Fios TV plan. You actually get a $200 Verizon gift card. But wait, there's more.
Oh.
If you combine that with the Fios 1 gig internet plan, you get an additional $200 Amazon gift card. So that's $400 in gift card awesomeness just waiting for you to
Truly
spend
giving
this holiday
away.
season.
You are the gift that keeps on giving.
Oh, thank you.
Speaking of gift giving, let us talk about what you have brought here for us today.
Yes. So we've got the Google Pixel 8.
Wow.
My buddy Steve was in here last time. He showed you like the best take situation. It also works for audio. So if you've got like, carols going in the background and like Uncle, Bob shows up and is like, I don't like this song. Get out of here, Uncle Bob.
It's always Uncle Bob.
There's always an Uncle Bob, isn't there?
Sorry,
so you can
Uncle Bob.
filter out Uncle Bob. I love Uncle Bob's. Bob's
That's
are great.
Uncle Bob.
You're
That's Uncle Bob
the
on camera,
exception.
everybody.
But you can actually filter out the audio of Uncle Bob, and that's great.
I often do that anyway.
Yeah, and enough nog helps with that.
Yes.
Nog versus Bob. If you turn in an eligible device right now, you can get that for free.
Oh,
on Verizon.
wow.
So that's great. The other nice thing is we've got over here, let me actually hold this up for Uncle Bob over here. We've got
the watch.
The watch. This is the Google. I'm sorry, this is the Samsung. Sorry, Samsung. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic.
If
you like working out, it's a big, bold,
look at those nice big
retro
numbers
face.
for me.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to say nice big muscles.
Well, why, thank you. So we've got, I've lost my train of thought. You can work out and keep track with your muscles, I suppose. And also it helps you keep track of your heart rate. Mine's at 102 right now because apparently that gave me the vapors. So that's good. So we're moving on over here to the JLab Go AirPop True Wireless Earbuds, which is a longer name than the actual device itself. It's so tiny.
I love.
But what's also nice is you've got a built-in USB cable. How lovely is that? So I'm always scrounging for that thing.
So you never have to search for it. Yeah.
No, and it's only $25. So it's a great stocking stuffer. And then yoink, and then last, another stocking stuffer. This is just $45. The Anchor 3-port foldable charger. It can charge up to 3 devices at once with this beautiful thing. Great stocking stuffer.
Yes.
And speaking of giving instead of just receiving, we got a bunch of stores in the New York metro area that are actually collecting toys for Tots.
Here.
Port Jefferson, Huntington Station, Smith Haven, Norwalk, Connecticut, Hartsdale, Yonkers ×2, Walden Avenue, Quaker Crossing, and Erie Boulevard. If you're anywhere near those stations, feel free to drop off a toy for Toys for Tots.
Thank you. This is fantastic. Chris, you've outdone yourself.
Thank you,
I'm trying.
Remind our viewers where they can go to shop any of these one more time.
You can go to Verizon.com/Holiday Media Hub or visit one of our stores.
Fantastic.
There it is.
Love
Chris,
it.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
And guys, coming